Today on Dinners, Dishes, and Desserts, we are making strawberry muffins, a quick and easy muffin recipe with lots of fresh and juicy strawberries. Hi, I'm Erin from Dinners, Dishes, and Desserts.com, and today's recipe takes full advantage of fresh strawberries that are just starting to get in season right now. I love baking with strawberries. It's one of my family's favorite dessert type recipes, and this is a great breakfast recipe you can make on busy mornings, or you can have stocked in your freezer and ready to go. Let me show you what we need to make them. We need some vegetable oil, milk, egg, regular granulated sugar, light brown sugar, vanilla extract, flour, baking powder, cinnamon, salt, and some chopped strawberries. This is a super easy recipe that comes together in no time. Let me show you how easy they are to make. First, we are going to combine the vegetable oil with milk, the granulated sugar, brown sugar,
I don't know, ask him,
and vanilla extract. An egg. We're going to mix that together until it's nice and well blended and the egg is fully incorporated. Then in a separate bowl, we are going to whisk together flour, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon until that is evenly combined. We're going to add the strawberries to the flour mixture and toss them to coat. This is going to ensure that the strawberries are evenly distributed through the muffins and don't sink to the bottom. Now we just add the flour mixture to the wet ingredients and mix until they are just combined. When you are making muffins, you want to be really careful not to overmix the batter, otherwise your muffins will be kind of tough and not nearly as tender as you want them to be. So we'll mix until just the white streaks disappear, and then we are ready to fill our muffin cups. You can either spray a muffin tin with nonstick spray or use the paper liners. I like to use an ice cream scoop to evenly divide the batter among the 12 muffin cups. Now all we have to do is bake. We're going to put them in a 350-degree oven for about 18 minutes, just until a tester comes out clean or you press on the top and they spring back. Remove them from the oven and let them sit in the muffin tin for about 5 minutes, and then you can remove them to a wire rack to cool completely. That's it. Breakfast is ready. This is great served with a side of fruit or yogurt, and it is good for on-the-go mornings, great for those busy mornings when everybody has to rush different ways. You can have them in your freezer and then just take out what you need and microwave them. If you're going to freeze them, I like to let them cool completely, and then I put them in a freezer-safe plastic bag and then put that in the freezer. That way they last for about 3 months in the freezer, and then you can just take one out when you're ready. Super easy breakfast recipe. I hope you enjoy. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can get more recipes just like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye.